Hello, good evening everyone. Why I'm saying good evening, you're saying. So I'm capturing this video on this evening only. So maybe this video I'll post it on tomorrow morning. So sorry for everyone that this many days I have not yet posted any videos because I was busy in my work schedules and college and all these things. So you can see the wonderful background that it is there this evening. Why I'm shooting this video evening? Because of this background. Like in evening time it will be beautiful, especially I love this. So I'm shooting this video in evening time, and I hope all are doing well and good and all are safe, because nowadays COVID is again increasing. I prefer you to wear mask and keep sanitizer, like before it's going to, like, we have to be precautious. We have measures we have to take for this, so be careful. So I hope all are safe and good, and I wish that too. So like in this video I have come with a wonderful video friend of you. So in my earnings I have purchased a lot of things for my new house. So from DMart I have purchased like so many things that is required for my house, and that one I'm showing in this video. So guys, friends, before entering this video, my humble request, if I want to put more videos, I want your support and subscribers to increase for this video. So please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment below what the next upcoming videos you wanted me to do it. So definitely I'll come with wonderful videos, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's enter into the video. Okay, fine. I'll be showing from one by one product. So what I have purchased. Why I'm sitting down? Because so I can comfortably explain you all whatever I purchased. So first thing is I have purchased from DMart this one. This is Anger. This one actually I bought for, how much I got this? DMart selling price is 199 rupees. But the actual price is some 250 rupees, but I got it for 199. This one I bought for wardrobe sake, like bells or like handbags, to hang that it will be neat, organized manner. So I bought this one for 199 from DMart. So second product, let me show you. So second one is for kitchen. So second product is this plates I have taken, because like I like this like leaf type plates to have. So it like from childhood I'll be like different things I like. So this plates I like it. I got this plate for one plate was 39 rupees. So one plate was 39. I have bought 4 plates for my 4 members are there in my house. So I bought 4 plates. So this is one plate is 39. So next one is like everything, like if you're going new house, the main thing is mats. We want still lot to buy, but I have bought only 3 mats. That was affordable for me. So this one mat is DMart prices, selling price is 79 rupees. This one is for rooms I have bought 79, and same, this is also same quality. So this one also for 79 I have bought. And this is for like my favorite one. I like this, like some green like fake grass is there. So welcoming you all first of all. Okay, so this one is like this one was like 210 rupees. This mat was 210 rupees. I feel this is affordable. Actually, you can go for like buying this, because this is very good. Quality is also very nice. So I liked it. So I purchased it. This 3 mats from DMart. So this 2 were, one was 79, other was 79, and this one 210 rupees. I have got this. So welcome mat, affordable. I liked it. So next product. So this is the next product I have got. This was like around 199 rupees in DMart. Why I got this? Because in you know, right, in apartments there will be like we have to put the clothes. So for any emergency sake, to put in balcony and dry the clothes for small like especially masks, to dry masks, I have got this. So this is 199. I feel this is affordable quite. Like by purchasing this, my mom was scolding actually why this is useless. But after buying this, everyone started using this actually. This is very like useful for us. Like that too, now raining in Bangalore, so it is very useful for drying the clothes. So I have bought it for 199 rupees. I think much affordable rate this is. So next product, let me show. That is this one stand. This is like for plate organizers. Actually my mom picked it. I didn't have to buy this actually. I didn't have idea to buy this, but my mom has been like, she is feeling from so many days she wants this plate organizers. So I just this I got it for 210 rupees. Quite affordable, right? It's very shocking and very good, and quality is also good. That too steel. Let me show you what I bought is this one. Actually, you know that I also do this hair care tips and all. For that, I act not only for showing a video, I want especially like the spray bottles. I prepare so many serums and all for that. Using this, this is DMart selling price is 59 rupees. I got it for 59 rupees. I hope like this actually you can feel that this is too much 59 rupees, but I think this is good quality and it is affordable. So I got it for a spray. Like if I prepare some thing like what is that, onion juice and all, I can use this easily. You can just for anything you can use, and also you can use this for plants also. You can spray it like water also, you can spray this. So I like this pinky type, so this I bought for 59 rupees. So next product, let us go for next product, that is this is also kitchen product. This one actually my dad has been selected this. Actually this MRP in this is 399 rupees. We got the selling price is for 250 rupees. We got this for 250 rupees. Selling price of DMart is 250 rupees, and this was actually very good. Like for tea and all, you can use this, tea, coffee, anything preparing like this. It's very like whiteless and all. It's good. It's good actually, affordable rate only. So let me show you the next product. Product I have bought is this one. This is like something heat and all, you can keep on this. You cannot keep like on immediately on tiles after cooking this. You can actually keep this. So this I got for 39 rupees, but MRP price is 49. So discount 39 rupees we got this. This is quite useful. And like this one also actually this is like you cannot use all the time. You will not get the clothes to hold that heat vessels and all. For that holding the heat vessels we bought this. This is actually, I'll show you. Okay, hold like this, pick it up and keep aside without getting any harm to your hand. Okay, so this one is also affordable. And next product that I bought is still two more was there, the soap boxes and all, because like for some we will use like this. We already started using that. I have already opened it, but now three is unopened. So this is 129 rupees. Quite good, no? This I like actually baby wave type, so I have taken white. So this is 29 rupees. And this is for 15 rupees and 15 rupees. So here what you can keep is like cloth washing soaps and all. See, you can keep water will easily, it will get dried out. So this thing is good. This is 15 rupees, one each, and this is 29 rupees. So next product. Next product is this for like 49 rupees. This is like plastic hook set with some. So like this one is like everywhere you cannot put this, use this hammer and this nail, no? So for that sake we bought this, like for our washrooms and all. You can use it by keeping some stand, brush stand, or soap stand, like that something you can use it. And for photos also you can use it. Very useful this one. So I have just not taken much, just only one piece of set I have taken. So this will be useful for if you're going new houses like that. So this is one good item. And next thing is that this absolutely, this will be DMart price tag, and this will be like cleaning, no? On the mats you can remove all this hair or whatever it is, and for cleaning water and like cleaning thing it will be useful very much. So this one is 59 rupees. I have bought it for 59 rupees. So easily you can clean. So this one is good. Next product, let me show what is that. Like clips. We already have a lot of clips. Like comment below guys, like you always purchase a clip and keep in house, but how much ever you buy it, but it will not become retain in house. Somewhere we will lose it, how we don't know, and it will break it down. So like for that sake, one more like extra one more, we also bought this clips, like 49 rupees. This is for 49, and there was also costly things in this clip item. This and all, for this and all you cannot invest much. So this is 49 rupees is enough for this. So this one we have bought. Next item was that the sponges we have bought. Like this is very good quality. Actually we bought some 3 or 4 packs in this. So we already started using that because like we came new house, like we opened this. Okay, so this is, I say guys, trust me, this is very useful fat and you can easily clean this thing. No, vessels will be cleaned up. Very good item this is. So this one is like one fat, some 15 rupees something we got this. And this was offer was also there and very good quality. The fat, it is very fat and you can hold easily and wash the vessel. Very good item. And the next item we'll go for next one. That is this. This is tea coffee strainer. You can see with us. So this is like 39 rupees. The DMart price is like MRP 69 rupees and selling price of DMart is 39 rupees. Absolutely. Easily by closing your eyes you can buy this product for 39 rupees. It is profitable only. I think it's not loss for you to buy this product. So let's move to next product. What is the next product? Why I have taken this because this one price I'll say first. This is 99 rupees. Quite good, right? Quite affordable only. So this is like why I have taken this because I already have the straight hair, like with a hair dryer. We can just keep it and curl the hair. I just saw somewhere. So to try that, I actually bought this comb. I'll try once and I'll put that also video. Okay, so I think it will work it out. Good one. And next product is that. Oh my god. Like see, if something like ginger, garlic for some paste and all, easily you can and use it. So this is actually my dad, actually he wants this from so long, so for kitchen things, so he bought it. He said to buy this and this is like 259 rupees and MRP is 418 and 259 is quite good price. This is like very good quality and strong and it is also like more weight carries. It's good for kitchen. It's good one. Okay. Next product.
Actually for schools or kids, someone in your house, you can buy this like 109 rupees. We got this because like it's chutney, sambar, like you can store. You can also use it for storing of spices. So this one is very useful. So this is 109 rupees. So good box. You got like very good quantity of boxes you have. I actually get this like this compost office. You know, like this is good. Actually, next product will want, you can just do it and clean wherever there is dust and all. You cannot climb always on chairs and all, no. So without climbing, so obviously we are short and all, so we need this more. You can just open it, how much of a length you want, you can do it and you can clean it, dust it out. This is good product. Actually this one I got for 190 rupees something.
One is like this one I have bought. This is actually you can keep on your dining table or it will be looking good, right? This bluish color, I liked it very much. So this one why I bought it because of like spoons, this knives and all, you can keep it inside. So easily it will be, for picking it will be easy. So this one actually I bought it for 199 rupees. So next product is guys, I have bought this. This actually, I'll just open it and show it. Open this and I'll show it. See, this one is like nice, no? So this one is for spices I have bought, like kitchen spices. You can keep this turmeric and this chili powder, all this spices you can keep in this masalas, cooking masalas, because like it will be looking good. You cannot always like pick it out each and every box. If it is at one place, it will be neatly organized manner. So I just wanted to buy. I didn't buy this in like DMart. I bought this in Flipkart actually. So this app and you can keep some flower and organize it like this. You can keep flowers inside. And you can just keep it whichever you want. You can turn it out. I think this is very much affordable, and this in this price you will be getting like around, I bought it for 499 rupees, around 500 rupees, including delivery charges. It became like some 700 rupees around you keep. But it's worth it guys, because you cannot always like the spices will be different. You will be searching for it. If it is one place, all the masalas, it will be organized manner and it will be good looking. See how nice it looks if you organize like this. Yes, I like this very much. So last but not least, very important product for my house, what I bought is like sofa cars. This sofa car, you can see the dark blue, it is like navy blue something. So this one why I bought is I like this color actually. It's good, no? It's good looking for your hall presence and all. And this pillow and pillow cover pillow was 99 rupees. I bought 4 pillows for 99 rupees. 1, 2, 3 and 4 for good organizing look, and it will be like classy look. I like that look. So to make my house more grand look, I bought this. So this is like 2 colors, double color. So you can just, whenever you want to feel something bored and all, you can play with this actually. Like this. And one more is this one. This is one is like black color and golden color. One classy look. You can just change it, and whenever you change the sofa cars, you can also change this and keep, and you can play with this. Actually, I do that only. So this is affordable. Actually, pillow we got it for 99 rupees. No. Sorry, I forgot the price. It is 179. Yes, this pillow cover is 179. More than pillow, this pillow cover is costly. Yes. So this both are 179 and 179. So next is that 2 other pillow. This is like you'll have like very classy look. Yes. Because like see how all the colors are there. You can keep on divan also. Not only on sofa you can organize on divan, because it will look very good. You will get a very pleasant feel within you see that. It will somewhat classy look it will be there. So I bought this. So this is like, how much was the price? Was 129 rupees. 129, and that covers were 179. Okay, this each pillow cover was 129 rupees. And this is quite good, right? I like this color so much. And you can keep it like this. And this one also same, 129 rupees. I bought 2. And you can see the sofa covers. This sofa cover is, we'll get 2 seated separate sofa, and for 1 single sofa you will be getting this sofa car. So the price is 699 rupees. Almost it is 700 rupees. I think that is affordable because the design and the quality was very good. So that we did not think second choice for that. We just bought it out. So that's all guys for this video. I have showed lot of products whatever I bought for my new house with my earnings. I feel very happy, and each one of you will feel very happy, because like if you buy to your house something, if you're doing with your earnings, that is like proud feel you will be feel. Like total it was like 5,909, around 6,000 guys the total bill was. And some of the product it was already opened. It was already opened because we already started using for new house. So like including everything it was around 6,000 rupees. I think quite affordable, because once in a while you all purchase this, not every time. So you can easily go to buy this. And then and also I want to buy a lot of things for my house to decor my house. I like to decorate my house and keep it very classy. So guys, I hope all of you watch the video till end. So I hope you all like this video, and it will be useful for if you're going to new house or purchasing like prices and all. It will be useful. So small information I have provided you. So I'll be coming with next wonderful video. So until then, subscribe my channel and watch all my videos, and be careful. Take care. Bye bye.